Quick Crypto, bringing you quick Casper news. More and more Bitcoin is being dumped, billions and billions of dollars of it. So what is next? Where's the bottom? Casper is now down 1.38% on the daily time frame, now valued at 11.6 cents. And yesterday we can see that Casper actually broke below this green support level of 11.8 to 11.3 cents, going down to 10.4 cents. The sell pressure in the market right now is overwhelming, very, very overwhelming. So the question is, what's next? Will Casper hold? Well, according to BSCM, in an interview with Reuters, Grayscale CEO Michael Sonnenschein said that GBTC Bitcoin outflows are easing and likely reaching an equilibrium. Since its conversion to an ETF at the beginning of this year, January 2024, Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust has lost Bitcoin like no other. In total, a staggering $16 billion has left GBTC, either exiting the market completely or moving to other more competitive ETF products. And therefore, the inflows of other spot Bitcoin ETFs has struggled to offset the staggering outflows from Grayscale's product. As we can see further here from Lark Davis, Grayscale's Bitcoin ETF saw $303 million in outflows just a few days back now. However, according to Michael Sonnenschein, Grayscale CEO, quote, "We do believe that the fund has started to reach a little bit of an equilibrium, where some of those anticipated outflows, whether it was some of the bankruptcy selling, some investors perhaps undertaking switch trades, are largely behind us." Sonnenschein has also confirmed that much of the early sell pressure was actually directly related to the FTX bankruptcy estate offloading assets that it still possessed, which is crazy to think that the FTX banking crisis is still having such a catastrophic effect on crypto to this day. The whole market is crashing and crashed hard, and Casper is unfortunately following along for the ride. And truth be told, we are not out of the woods just yet. There's still a little bit more to go. So what is next? Where's the bottom? And will Casper hold? Because as we can see, even though Casper did correct momentarily below this green zone, the moment it did, everyone's buy signals went absolutely crazy, parabolic. To see a 10-cent Casper is actually insane. And that is why currently Casper's holding around 11.6 cents. Immediately when it went down, it came back up. Now look, none of this is financial advice. These are just my opinions, and always do your own research. But me personally, I am choosing to take Michael Sonnenschein's word here, that the worst is behind us and that we are starting to reach an equilibrium. But my reasonings are more to do with the fact that crypto is currently correcting so aggressively right now. And that is because the Bitcoin halving is literally on our doorstep, less than a week away now, just 6 days, which is insanely close. And again, to take the words of Lark Davis, the sooner Grayscale stop dumping Bitcoin, the better it gets for the market. So dump harder, Grayscale. And I couldn't agree more. The buying opportunities are insane right now. We won't see crypto go lower for a very, very long time, because this Bitcoin halving is going to see the big crypto bull run of our lifetime. Don't you get it? These institutions, Grayscale and BlackRock and all the large institutions, the large banks, they are trying to scare you out of your bag, out of crypto pre-halving before the post-halving boom. They want to scoop up as much as possible now with the deadline so very close, because even they know they can't stop the inevitable run crypto's about to go on when the crypto bull run starts. It's going to be insane. Don't you see that? I get it. I really, really do. This market right now, the last few days have been very, very scary. But this is my first rodeo. And if you've been in crypto long enough, it's not your first either. You will know that this is only temporary. And when it comes to Casper, well, it's his first bull run, yes. But when it comes to Casper, the vast migration, a massive revolutionary piece of technology, it's already surpassed 10%, which is a monumental milestone. And Casper's hash rate is still continuing to rise higher and higher, promising another breakout for Casper in the near future. Bitcoin's halving is closer than ever, and Hong Kong have confirmed that they are finally getting into the ETF space on Monday, literally a day away now. So in my opinion, as I stated in my previous videos, which I highly recommend checking out if you haven't done so already, I still believe that this green zone for Casper is going to be the bottom of this correction period. The RSI right now is sitting at 37.28. It is very, very low and edging ever closer to the oversold region at 30. It's 7 off the oversold region. Now, worst case, we could, over the next few days, pre-halving, see even more heavy corrections in crypto because these institutions are trying to shake you out of your bags. My next support level for Casper would be around 10.7 cents, and my absolute lowest that I believe personally that Casper will go is down at the bottom here at 9.3 cents at the bottom when Casper achieved its all-time high of 15 cents. So my message to you right now is to hold on for dear life and buckle up, because the next few days, the next few weeks even, to come will be a rollercoaster ride. But don't be emotional, be logical.